Hey guys, how are you? My name is Inamuriman and today topic is 6G network. 6G network represent the next generation of wireless communication technology expected to follow the current 5G network. Development while still in the research and development phase, 6G is projected to be rolled out around 2030. Here an overview of what 6G is expected to bring, key feature and improvement. Higher speed 6G is expected to offer speed up to 100 times faster than 5G, potentially reaching terabits per second Tbps. This would enable almost instantaneous data transmission, supporting ultra high definition content and complex application. Lower latency could drop to microseconds, enabling real-time communications and interaction, which is critical for applications like remote surgery, autonomous vehicles, and augmented reality. Expanded connectivity. 6G will likely support massive machine type communication (MMTC) with a focus on connecting a vast number of it to a central server edge. Reduce latency, privacy by keeping sensitive data on the device. Generative models. Definition. Generative models are a class of AI algorithms that can create new data instance similar to a given dataset. They are widely used in generating image, text, music, and even synthetic data. Type of generative models. Generative adversarial network GANs. This consists of two neural network, the generator and which work together to produce realistic data. Variational autoencoder these are another type of generative model used to generate new data points from a learned distribution. Transformer models in a context of text and images generation model like GPT for text. Super intelligent AI, a level of AI that surpasses including creativity, problem solving, and social intelligence. This is also theoretical core AI technologies. Machine learning (ML), a subset of AI focused on building systems that can learn and improve from experience. ML algorithm use data to identify patterns and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Deep learning, a type of ML that uses neural networks with many layers. Deep networks to model complex patterns in data. It is the driving force behind many recent AI advancements, especially natural recognition, natural language processing (NLP) enables computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language in a way that is both meaningful and useful. Examples include chatbots and language translation services. Computer vision allows machine to interpret and make decisions based on visual inputs like image and videos. It's used in facial recognition, autonomous vehicles, and medical imaging. Robotics combines AI with robotics to create machines that can perform physical tasks. AI is essential for autonomous systems like drones. Industrial robots lacks generalization beyond it programming. Journal AI, strong AI, hypothetical AI that possesses the ability to perform and intelligence task a human can. This is still in the realm of science fiction. Super intelligent AI, a level of AI that surpasses, including creativity, problem solving, and social intelligence. This is also theoretical core AI technologies. Machine learning (ML), a subset of AI focused on building systems that can